myself Bimal Patel, Standard 9, Mathematics Chapter number 4, Linear Equation with two variables. Friends, in the last lecture, we have discussed linear equation with one variable, its solution and type of solution. Another we have to discuss linear equation with two variables and the type of solution. Let us recap the last lecture. Let us see what we saw in the last lectures. Let us recall linear equation with one variable. What is linear equation with one variable? The standard form of linear equation with one variable, ax plus b. In this equation there is only one variable and its power is 1. There is a constant also which is b, and the condition is a not equal to 0. Why a not equal to 0? Because if we take a equal to 0, then the only constant is remaining. The solution of linear equation with one variable is x equal to minus b by a. In other way to say that variable equal to coefficient of variable divided by constant. And which type of solution we get? There is a unique solution of linear equation with one variable. Another we have to show that linear equation with two variable. What is linear equation with two variable? In equation there is two variable, xy product which not present. The degree of both variable is 1 and the constant c. The standard form of the linear equation with two variable is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A square plus b square is not equal to 0 is the condition. And type of solution is infinite solution. We have discussed another thing also, that linear equation with one variable is also can be expressed as linear equation with two variable. In today's lecture, now we have discussed how to find infinite solution of linear equation with two variable. Let us see it. Dear student, now let us start solution of linear equation in two variable. What is the solution of linear equation in two variable? For real number x and y, if x and y satisfy the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then xy is called the solution of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means you have to substitute the value of x and y and you will get the constant term on LHS side. That means this is the solution of linear equation in two variable. So how to find the solution of linear equation in two variable? You have to do that, find a value of any one variable, x or y. That means we can write ax plus by plus c equal to 0. I want to find the value of y. That means I have to take the value of ax on other side. If I take the value of ax on other side, the sign will be changed. That means I can write by plus c equal to minus ax. Okay. Now take c on other side, the sign will be also changed. Therefore by equal to minus ax minus c. Therefore y equal to minus ax minus c divided by b. So this is the value of y. If you have to substitute the value of x, then you will get the value of y. Here a is coefficient of x, c is constant and b is also number. That's why you have to get the value of y if you will substitute the value of x. So this is the standard form. Whenever you have to find the solution of linear equation in two variable, first of all the first step is find the value of any one variable. You have to also find the variable x also, or you have to find the value of y. Let us see how to find the value of x. So we have to know that the linear equation of two variable is this one. So I want to find the value of x. That means I can write ax plus c equal to minus by. Therefore we can write ax equal to minus by minus c. Therefore x equal to minus by minus c So this is the how value of x. You have to substitute the value of y, then you will get the value of x. So this is the brief introduction of solution of linear equation in 2 variables. Friends, this is the very important step. You have to find the value of x and value of y. By example, we have to find the infinite solution of linear equation in 2 variables. Let us see the example of linear equation in 2 variables. Let us see the first example. Find out different solution of equation x plus y equal to 3. Friends, first step is you have to find the value of one variable. That means I can write x plus y equal to 3. So I can write y equal to 3 minus x. This is your first step. Now in second step, you have to substitute the value of x. You can take any arbitrary value of x. So step 2, take any arbitrary value of x and substitute in y. So let us take x equal to 0. If I substitute x equal to 0, then I can write y equal to 3 minus 0. Therefore y equal to 3. So the first solution is x equal to 0 and y equal to 3. Let us take another value of x. So take x equal to 1. If I substitute x equal to 1 in y, then let us see what is the answer. Y equal to 3 minus x. So y equal to 3 minus 1. So y equal to 2. Therefore 1, 2 is solution of given equation. Let us take another value. Take x equal to minus 3. So what is the value of y? Let us see. Y equal to 3 minus x. So y equal to 3 minus minus 3. Now minus minus plus, we can write 3 plus 3. Y equal to 6. So solution of given equation is minus 3, 6 is solution of given equation. So friends, if you take any arbitrary value of x, you can get the value of y automatically. So we can find infinitely many solutions by substituting the value of x. Here I can take only 3 values. You have to take x equal to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus any value of x you have to substitute in y, you will get the value of y also. So by this way you will get the infinite solution of linear equation in 2 variables. Let us see another example. Another example is x minus 2y equal to 1. Friends, in the last example, both variables have coefficient 1. So we make any of variable as a subject. Now in this example, the coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of y is minus 2. In this example, I make a subject as a x. Why? Because if you make a subject x as a subject, then you will get the answer easily. You can also make a subject as a y. Both are correct, but it is easy because the variable of x has a coefficient 1. So I can write x equal to 1 plus 2y. Now another step is take the value of y, different value of y, you will get the value of x. Let us take y equal to 0. So you will get x equal to 1 plus 2 into 0, that is 1. So the solution is 1, 0 is solution of given equation. Let us take another value of y. Put y equal to 2. So you will get x equal to 1 plus 2 into 2, that is 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So here you have to write the value of x. First value of x, second value of y is solution of given equation. Let us take another value. Put y equal to minus 3. Let us see. X equal to 1 plus 2 into minus 3. 1 plus 2 3 is 6. The big number has a negative sign, so that is minus 6. That is 1 minus 6 equal to minus 5. So you will get minus 5 minus 3 is a solution of given equation. So this is the way that how to find different solution of given linear equation. You have to also write in the table form. In the next example, how to calculate the value of x and y in the table form. Let us see the another example. Another example is 2x minus 3y equal to 5. First, our first step is 2x equal to 3y. Go on other side. The sign will be changed. 5 plus 3y. Now x equal to 5 plus 3y divided by 2. Friends, now you have to substitute the value of y and you will get the value of x. First, let us take the value of y. Y equal to 1. If I take y equal to 1, then 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Friends, both way you will get the answer in fraction and integer also. But if you want to only the integers answer, then first assume the number, substitute in the given equation. If you will get the integers, then in other next step you will have to add the denominator in last number. Let us see how to take. First substitute. First take y equal to 1. If I take y equal to 1, then I will get x equal to 5 plus 3 into 1 divided by 2. That is 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Okay. Now I want to the another answer is as an integer. So what can I do? I take add a denominator in y. So next, if I want to integer, the next value is y equal to 3. Let us see. Take y equal to 3. So x equal to 5 plus 3 into 3 divided by 2. That is 5 plus 9 divided by 2. That is 14 divided by 2. That is 7. See, this is the answer you will get is integer. If you will take y equal to 2, then you will get the answer as a fraction. Let us check. Take y equal to 2. So x equal to 5 plus 3 into 2 divided by 2. That is 3 to the 6. 6 plus 5, 11 by 2. See, the answer is fraction number. In general, friends, आपको जो वैल्यू y की वैल्यू जो लेते हो और वो अगर आपको इंटीजर चाहिए तो पहले आप एक नंबर है वो अज्यूम कर लो. अज्यूम करके आप वो नंबर हमारे इक्वेशन में रख लो. अगर आपको इंटीजर मिलता है तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आपको जो वैल्यू लेनी है वो कैसे लेनी है? डिनोमिनेटर में वो वैल्यू को ऐड कर दो. दैट इज 2 plus 1 3. अब अगर मुझे तीसरा इंटीजर चाहिए तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? 3 में 2 ऐड करोगे. सो इफ आई टेक y equal to 5, then answer is always integer. Let us see. X equal to 5 plus 3 into 5 divided by 2. That is 5 plus 15 divided by 2. That is 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. So that is the way to find the value of x and y. In last, you have to make a table x and y. See, first we take a value of y equal to 1. Then I get value of x as a 4. Second, I take value of y equal to 3. So write y equal to 3. You will get y equal to 7. Third, I take y equal to 2. X equal to, I will get 11 by 2. In last, y equal to 5. I get x equal to 10. That is the, if you substitute y equal to 1, you will get x equal to 4. If you substitute y equal to 3, you will get x equal to 7. If you get a y equal to 2, you will get x equal to 11 by 2. If you substitute y equal to 5, you will get x equal to 10. There is infinitely many solutions. Whenever you have to substitute the another value of x or another value of y, you will get the value of another variable. So this is the way to find the different solution of linear equation with two variables. Let us see another example. Another example is 5x plus 3y equal to 11. What is our next step 1? Step 1 is make a subject as a variable. So I can write 3y equal to 11 minus 5x. So y equal to 11 minus 5x divided by 3. This is our first step. Now take a value of x, different value of x, you will get the value of y. First, let us take x equal to 0. Let us see what is the value of y. So y equal to 11 minus 5 into 0 divided by 3. That is y equal to 11 by 3. Let us take x equal to 1. So y equal to 11 minus 5 into 1 divided by 3. That is 11 minus 5, 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. See, if I take x equal to 1, then I will get y equal to 2 is a integer. Now I want to another value as an integer. So what can I do? I simply add the denominator in the last taken value x equal to 1. So if I want to next integer, then what is the next value I have to take? X equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. You have to take a value of x equal to 5. Then you will get y as an integer. So let us see, y equal to 11 minus 5 into 4 divided by 3. That is 11 minus 20 divided by 3. That is minus 9 divided by 3. That is minus 3. Now let us take x equal to 3. Let us see what is the given value of y. 11 minus 5 into 3 divided by 3. That is 11 minus 15 divided by 3. 11 minus 15, that is minus 4 divided by 3. This is the fraction. So this is the way that how to find out the solution of equation with two variables. In the last, you have to make a table. You should write in table x and y. What is here? First we take x equal to 0, then I will get the value of y is 11 by 3. In the next, I take x equal to 1, then I will get y equal to 2. In third, if I substitute x equal to 4 in equation 1, I will get the value of y is minus 3. In the last, I substitute x equal to 3 in equation 1, I will get minus 4 by 3. By this way, you will, if you take different value of x, you will get the different value of y. That means infinitely many solutions you will get if you substitute the different value of x and y. So in the next example, let us take another type of example. Our next question is, find the value of a if x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Here we have to given that x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is solution of 2x plus 3y equal to k. That means if I substitute x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 in the given equation, I will get the value of k. Let us substitute x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 in given equation. What is the given equation? Given equation is 2x plus 3y equal to k. Now substitute the value of x. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to k. 2 into 2 4 plus 3 equal to k. That is 7 equal to k. Therefore k equal to 7. So by this way you have to find the value of k. You have to substitute only value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 in the given solution. Let us see this type of example. Let us see another example. Find the value of k if x equal to 5 and y equal to 4 is a solution of the equation 4x minus ky equal to 10. It is already given that x equal to 5 and y equal to 4 is solution of 4x minus ky equal to 10. What is the next step? If we are given x equal to 5 and y equal to 4, you have to just substitute the value of x and y in given equation. Now let substitute x equal to 5 and y equal to 4 in 4x minus ky equal to 10. So 4 into 5 minus k into 4 equal to 10. 20 minus 4k equal to 10. 20 will go on other side, the sign will be changed. Minus 4k equal to 10 minus 20. So minus 4k equal to 10 minus 20 minus 10. Minus minus will be cancelled out. You can write 4k equal to 10. So k equal to 10 by 4. 5 by 2. So this is the value of k equal to 5 by 2. Friends, in this lecture we have discussed the solution of linear equation in two variable. कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको x वेरिएबल x और वेरिएबल y को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है. दैट मींस इन हमारे लैंग्वेज की बात करें जैसे अंग्रेजों ने किया है डिवाइड एंड रूल, दोनों वेरिएबल को अलग कर दो. ऐसे ही x और y दोनों में से एक को अगर आप सब्जेक्ट बना दोगे और अलग अलग आप वैल्यू रखोगे तो आपको x की भी वैल्यू मिलेंगी. सो इस तरह हम लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स के इनफाइनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशन हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव टू फाइंड द value of k if we have already given the value of x and y is a solution of given equation. In this type of example we have to substitute the given value of x and y. You will get the value of k. Friends, in the next lecture we have discussed the graph of linear equation in two variable. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.